In this lesson, we will be learning our next new chord called D minor. To play the chord D minor, you place your second finger in the second fret on the fourth string, which is the G string. Then you place your third finger in the third fret on the fifth string, which is the B string. And finally, you place your first finger in the first fret on the sixth string, which is the high E string. Now we will learn which strings to strum when playing the chord D minor. When playing the chord D minor, try not to strum the first and second strings, which are the E and A strings. So the only strings you should strum are the bottom four strings, which are the D, G, B, and high E strings. So let's try to play the chord D minor together 4 times using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor.